guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. I decided to go ahead and do weekly cash envelope stuffing, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I do still have some money left inside of my envelopes, so I'm going to be taking out that leftover money and I'm going to be stuffing it with my new weekly money that I have right here. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. Also, you guys, if you would do me a favor to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave me some comments down in the comment section, I would really appreciate it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so to start off, let me see how much we're going to be stuffing today because I didn't count it. So today we're going to be stuffing 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 210, 220, 230, 235, 240, and 245. Okay, so today we are going to be stuffing $245. So let me go ahead and put this back. And so right now we're just going to go ahead and take all of the money out, starting with the groceries envelope. So with the groceries, looks like we do have some money left over. I am going to go ahead and take this change and put it into my change jar that I have right here. And it looks like we have $1, $2, $3, and $4 left over from the grocery envelope. So with these $1 bills, these are going to go into my $1 savings challenge. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these $1 bills to the side. And so today groceries is going to be getting stuffed with $50. So we have two 20s and a 10. So we have 20, 40, and 50 going into groceries today. Next up, we have eating out. With eating out, we do not have anything left. And today, eating out is going to be getting stuffed with $25. So we have a 20 and a 5 for $25. And then we have self-care. So self-care is left with $5, but I'm actually am not going to be stuffing self-care today. I stuff self-care every 2 weeks, so the next time that I will be stuffing this will be on March 15th. But I did get my nails done, you guys. My budget for self-care was $60. My nails cost me $55, so I am left with $5. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this $5 to the side. And so this is what my nails are looking like today, you guys. I like them. The only thing that I think he kind of misheard me on was with this particular nail right here. So this is the marble, but instead of it being black, it was supposed to have been brown, but for some reason he put black. So I mean, it's not too bad, but it did kind of throw me off a little bit. But overall, I do like the way my nails turned out. So that's what I got this month. So yeah, I will be stuffing self-care on the 15th of this month. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this one blank. And then for haircut, we do have $20 in haircut. My husband still have some time left in the first 2 weeks to go ahead and get his haircut, which I think he's probably going to get done next week or so. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this $20 in. And then I also stuff haircut every 2 weeks as well, because that's when he gets his haircut. So we're not going to be stuffing this today at all. And then next up, we have spending money. And with spending money, we have $10 left. So with this $10, I'm just going to go ahead and put this $10 to the side. And then spending money is going to be getting stuffed with $25 today. So we have a 20 and a 5. And then for kids, let's see how much we have in kids. So it looks like we have a nickel in here, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in my change jar. And we have 1, 2, and 3. So 305 was left into kids. I'm going to go ahead and put my dollars to the side. And then kids today is going to be getting stuffed with $25. So we have a 20 and a 5. And then we have miscellaneous. So miscellaneous, we did not use any money from miscellaneous this past week. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side because this is extra. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, well, I guess I could have actually kept that $20 bill in here. But I'm going to go ahead and just stuff miscellaneous for this week with another 20. And then next up we have couponing. So couponing, I have been using some money from my couponing. So let's see how much we have left over. So I'm just going to take this out and then let me go ahead and grab my change out of here. All of my change is going to go ahead and go in my change jar. So let's go ahead and put that there. Put this back in. Okay. Okay, so for couponing this week, we were left with 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $19 and some change. So I'm going to go ahead and take these 5s, put them to the side, and my $1 bills, and put those to the side. And then today, couponing is going to be getting stuffed with $50. So we have 20, 40, and 50. And then lastly, we do have gas. I did fill my tank up this week, so we are left with nothing for gas. And gas is going to be getting stuffed with $50 as well. So we have 20, 40, and 50 for gas. And then right here, we just have receipts. I'm gonna go ahead and clear that out. And then I don't have anything in my coin pouch. So my envelopes are completely stuffed. And so with the extra money that I had left over from miscellaneous and from spending money, this is just going to go inside of my extra money envelope right here. And this is just a regular envelope that I got from my bank. All of the extra money that I have left over at the end of the week, I just go ahead and put it into this envelope. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this extra money. Right now, I just have it listed as extra money, and I just have it in my safe. So I don't have anything planned with it just yet. And so right here, I do have a $1 and a $5 little shadow box where I put my 5s and my 1s, but I decided to, it looks like they are kind of getting full, so I decided to just use one of these little clear envelopes and go ahead and start putting my $5 bills and my $1 bills. So this is what I'm using for right now, and then I just stash these into my safe. So we're going to be putting all of these in here. And then I will have to say, you guys, that my $1 challenge and my $5 challenge is going very, very well. Very well. How are you guys doing on your challenges? Are you guys still sticking to them? Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, I would really, really appreciate if you guys would give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. Share this video with your family and friends. So that is going to be it, you guys. And with that being said, I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.